I've just corrected that, yes, this was, again, despite the fact that, yes, we are talking about we cannot discuss issues of the parties here. My party, for sure, the president had a function in Western where I joined him and I was required to be there for purpose of, again, stabilizing the country, as it were. Chair, I want to point out that...
Governor Arati, what specific functional responsibility do you have in stabilization of the country beyond stabilization of Kisii County?
And Chair, is the country unstable? I'm not aware. Is the country at war?
Chair, at a certain time, the country was going the wrong direction. Then we had to join hands, and indeed we did it, to bring the people together, cohesion, as it were. And I'm happy that indeed we did. Today the country is in the correction, and we are happy that it's doing the right thing.
And that was thanks to your efforts when you are supposed to appear before the committee.
Precisely, Chairman, yes, that was true. If I was, again, I was not there to present my party leader in that function, as it were.
This mask is not doing us a favor, because I can't tell whether you are grinning or whether you are making a face at us.
Honorable Chair,
I might say that you take off that mask.
Honorable Chair, this is why I was asking the question of what the function was, and I wish that members would have allowed the governor to answer that question. Because from the function itself, we all live in this country, we would be able to establish if what the governor is telling us is actually factual. If it was a presidential function, it cannot have been a party function. That's the point. And I was getting interrupted by the Vice Chair, yet it is critical information for you to ascertain whether indeed the excuse for the absence is proper or not. Because for me, as a Secretary General of ODM, I would never allow the party to be used as an excuse to escape parliamentary summons. We have actually had conversations on the floor of the House, Honorable Chair, where we have censured cabinet secretaries for going to State House or using the excuse that they had been summoned to State House and not prioritizing parliamentary business as required by the Constitution. So it was important for you to let the governor put on record what that function was, because from there we would be able to discern if indeed it was a worthy excuse.
Chair, maybe